Hi, Captain Starlight here, and welcome to All You Can Yeet Reindeer Food Edition. It's this time of year that we leave food out for Santa, but the real question is, what do we make for the reindeer? Well, the prancer is reindeer food, of course. First things first, we need to don a apron. These videos can get quite messy. We need to mix in the oats with a dash of magic. And then it's time to move on to the carrot. We're gonna cube it carefully before we blitz them in the blender. This will take a minute, so it's a good time for a dancer break. Have a quick sniff of it before serving. Oh, that smells like farts. Oh, sorry, that was a little rude of me. And then it's time to plate up. For this and more recipes that slay, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone, we'll catch you later. Bye!